Whoa. I'm not gonna go that far. Wow.
Oh, from here. Look at this side. Look at the rotation. That's all I was telling you about. And there's two F-16s flying around. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, that's for the Aaron C show.
Yeah, maybe
They're going around this storm? What the
yeah,
what are they doing?
They're fine. Yeah, they're probably docking in Opa Locka. Look, there's an F-16 right there. Right there.
Oh.
These planes to the right. There's two of them.
It's hard to see them.
Yeah, they're fast. They're very fast. But look.
That's the rotation right there?
Yeah. Over here you got the heavy side cloud. You see how it's in a big rotation? I mean, all the way around, it's in a big rotation.
Wow.
These are definitely supercell clouds right now.
Yeah, that means they should probably issue a tornado watch.
I'm sure they will have to, but I think that place just sold a photo cloud. I don't even know where it was, but it's here in Miami Dade College.
I think that's by a new construction community because when I saw the post, it looked like a new construction community by Lennar or something. It's got to be somewhere. Yeah.
It's okay, but definitely.
Yeah. So, folks, there was a hail, and then there's also reports of a funnel cloud.
Wow. Look at back here. Look at the mix of rotation.
Right here.
Yeah, I mean it's one big. Look at the cell. It's going all the way.
God. Yeah.
Stretching.
Whoa.
As far as the eye can see right now.
Wow.
Except out east, it's not. It hasn't stretched out east, but it's definitely. I guess it's coming from the west right now.
Yeah, it's coming from the west.
Look at the rotation. So if you look back here, look at this side. See how it's in a slow rotation?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm
You get
pointing towards it
supercells.
right now?
Yeah. Look at the F-16s too coming across again.
Yeah, well, right now we got,
Hold on, they're gonna fly by. You'll see.
we got
Don't fly this
F-16s.
way, pass this way.
Yeah.
They look like they're doing landing shits for Opa Locka. There they are. See it? This way. Keep your phone right there. Boom, boom, boom. You're tracking it.
Oh.
Well, it's gonna start pouring, so we should probably go in. The lightning's gonna get fucking gnarly right now.
Yeah, that means we're going to have a lot of lightning, too.
Look at the rotation cloud. Look at it.
Whoa!
You see it? Can you kind of see like how it's just like a heavy thing and then it's
Yeah,
It's
that
kinda
thing is kind of
slow.
trying to touch down or something.
got a very slow rotation on the outer parts of the cell?
Yeah. So,
These are bad clouds. These are very bad clouds.
oh, oh, I'm getting under here. Oh, wow.
It's going.
You're going in, Mom?
Yeah. Holy, that's actually pretty trippy.
What?
It's dissipating, but good. It was starting to branch out.
So it's dissipating.
Yeah, it's dissipating in the sky, but there is definite rotation in these clouds.
Oh. So that means the thunderstorm is still holding strong.
No, it's a very intense cell, I would say. You can see them all over. There's little rotation spots all over.
Wow. So that you were talking about that rotation that was dissipating. Yeah. Something was trying to touch down.
Wouldn't be surprised if we see a couple funnel clouds on the news tonight.